questions 1 through 10 on the 2013 Grade 11 Fermat Math Contest. What is the value of 10 squared plus 6 squared over 2? 10 squared is 100, 6 squared is 36 divided by 2. So that is 136 over 2, and that equals 68. So number 1, the answer is D. The graph shows the mass in kilograms of Jeff's pet Atlantic cod given its age in years. What is the age of the cod when its mass is 15 kg? This is 15 kg right here. So you just follow the graph along until you hit the graph, that curve I should say, and then you look down to see where it lies on the age segment, and that is 7. So number 2, the answer is B. In the diagram, PQRS is a square, PTQ is an equilateral triangle. What is the measure of angle TPR? Okay, well, this is an equilateral triangle, so this would be 60, 60, and 60. This is a square, so this is 90, but we have drawn this diagonal PR, so that means that chops that angle into 45, 45. So this is 45, and this is 45. So they want what is it? TPR. So TPR is this angle. Those two combined would become TPR, and that obviously 60 plus 45, which is 105. Number 3, therefore, the answer is B. A large cylinder can hold 50 liters of chocolate milk when full. The tick marks show the division of the cylinder into 4 parts of equal volume. Which of the following is the best estimate for the volume of chocolate milk in the cylinder as shown? 50 is the full capacity divided into 4 equal parts, so this will be 12.5, 25, and 37.5. So it's right below 37.5, so which of these answer choices is right below 37.5? And this would be the best selection. Number 4 is therefore D. In the diagram, rectangle PQRS has PQ equals 30, and rectangle WXYZ has ZY equal to 15. If S is on WX and X is on SR, so that SX is 10, then WR is equal to. Well, SX is 10 right here, and therefore if this is 30 and this is 10, then this XR must be 20. And then in a very similar way, if this is 10 and this is 15, then this little guy, WS, must be 5. So they want WR. Well, WR is all the way from W to R, which would be 5 plus 10 plus 20, and therefore that makes WR equal to 35. So number 5, the answer is E. If X is equal to 11 is equal to y is equal to 8, 2x plus 3z is equal to 5y. What is the value of z or z? All right, no problem. Plug these values in. 2 times 11 plus 3 times z is equal to 5 times 8. 22 plus 3z is equal to 40. 3z therefore is equal to 18, and z is 6. Number 6, the answer is 6, and that's choice A. X plus A times x plus 8 is equal to x squared plus bx plus 24 for all values of x. Then A plus B is equal to. Well, x plus A times x plus 8 is equal to x squared plus bx plus 24 for all values. So if it's true for all values, we can just substitute 2 values, and that would be sufficient for us to solve for A and B. So let's use simple ones, 0 and 1. Plugging in 0, we get A times 8 is equal to 24, and that pretty much gives me that A is 3. There we go. Now let's plug in this one, 1 for x, that means 1 plus A, 1 plus 8 is 1 squared plus b plus 24. That means that's 9 times 1 plus a is equal to b plus 25. Well, a is 3, so I can just put that in. So that's going to be 9 times 4 is b plus 25. So that's going to be 36 minus 25 is 11 for b. A is 3, b is 11, therefore a plus b is 3 plus 11, which is 14. Number 7, the answer is D. Which number from this set must be removed so that the average of the remaining numbers is 6.1? Okay. Well, first and foremost, let's figure out what is the average of those numbers. It's all the way to 11, and we're dividing by 11. So 11 times 12 divided by 2. Remember that formula, n times n plus 1 over 2. That's the sum of the consecutive numbers from 1 to n. All divided by 11, and this is 6. So the average of these numbers is 6. What they're saying is that you have to take out one number, take the average of the remaining numbers, and that average will be 6.1. Okay. Well, the total sum of 1 to 11 is 11 times 12 divided by 2. We're going to take out some number and then divide by 10, because it now will be only 10 numbers since one of these 11 numbers is going to be taken out. And that average is 6.1. So this is our equation. This becomes 66 minus x is equal to 61, and therefore x is equal to 5. So 5 is the number that you have to take out to meet the conditions of the question. So number 8, the answer is 5. The regular price for a bicycle is $320. The bicycle is on sale for 20% off. The regular price for a helmet is $80. The helmet is on sale for 10% off. If Sandra bought both items on sale, what is her percentage savings on the total purchase? So we have the bike, and then we have the helmet. And originally the regular price is $320 and $80 for those two items. The discount is 80% of the regular price because it's a 20% discount. So you'd multiply 0.8 times 320, and that gives you 256 for the bike. For the helmet, it's only a 10% discount, so you multiply by 0.9 the regular price, and that gives you 72. So Sandra is paying $256 and $72, which is a total. So total 256 plus 72 is 328. And the total in terms of the regular price was 400, 320 plus 80. So we have to figure out how much of a discount did she get there. Well, 328 divided by 400 is 0.82. So she paid 82% of the price. That means her discount was 18%. Her savings. So number 9, the answer is A. PQRS is a square. The midpoint of PQ is M, and the midpoint of RS is N. If the perimeter of rectangle PMNS is 36, the area of the square is PQRS. The midpoint of PQ is M, and the midpoint of RS is N. And now we have to figure out a few things here. So first, let's join M to N. And they're saying that that perimeter of PMNS is 36. Okay, well, it's a square, so all the sides are the same. So this is X. This is X. This would be 2X, right? All the sides have to be the same. And then the distance from M to N is also going to be 2X. So the perimeter of PMNS is 36. And in terms of the labeling here, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x is 36. So x is 6. So if x is 6, that means 2x is 12. So the side of the square is 12. The area of that big square is going to be the side of the square times the side of the square, and that's 144. So number 10, the answer is D.